Hello guys, in the previous video we cover Python sequence data type, that is list. In the today's video we are going to cover the next sequence data type, that is tuple. So open Anaconda Navigator, click on Jupyter Launch, click on desktop, Python, create new file, give it name as a Python tuple new. So what is the definition of tuple? Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. And the main difference between the tuple and list, as list is changeable, you can add, edit or update the items in the list, but you cannot add, delete or update items into tuple. So how to declare tuple? You have to write down my tuple is equal to, in the list you are using square brackets, but in the tuple you have to use rounded bracket. As well as in list you can add multiple data types, same here in the tuple you can add multiple data types in a single list. So I'm adding wisdom, then Python, then 44.5, 56.8, something like this. So if I want to print the tuple, I have to use print my tuple. If you print this, then you will get your data. So there are also two indexes, which are positive indexes and negative indexes are present into the tuple, same as it is present in the list. How to access positive indexes? Positive index are nothing but this wisdom is stored into the 0th index of this tuple. Python is stored in the first index, 44.5 is stored on second index, and 56.3 is stored on third index. So if I want to print Python, then what I have to write down? Print my tuple of, if I have to run, print my tuple of 1, because Python is present on first index, wisdom is present on 0th index. If I print this, then I will get Python. If I want to print 44.5, then as you know 44.5 are present in second index. If I print them, then I will get 44.5. If I print 0, then I will get wisdom. So these are positive index. Then what are negative index? Negative index are nothing but 56.3 is present on -1, 44.5 is present on -2, Python is present on -3, and wisdom is present on -4. If I print -4, then I will get wisdom. If I print this, then I will get wisdom. If I print -2, then 44 is in the -2. If I print this, then I will get 44.5. So these are positive and negative index of a tuple. Now the main thing is how you can add items into the tuple. But the main reason is, once tuple is created, you cannot change its values. Tuple are unchangeable or immutable. But there is a workaround. You can convert the tuple into list and change the list and convert it again to the tuple. So there are some big process. How to do that? You have to write down something like this. Then my tuple is equal to 44, 55, 66. If I print this, print my tuple, then I will get 44, 55, 66. Then I have to convert that tuple into list, because we cannot add item into tuple. My list is equal to, everyone know that list use square bracket, but before that we have to write down, that is my list is equal to list of my tuple. And if I print my list, then you will get 44, 55 and 66 are now into my list item, and check that brackets. Okay, so we successfully converted the tuple into list. Now we can add items. We can add using append method. So append 77, then run that program. If you print my list, then you will get 44, 55, 66, 77, and again you have to convert that list into tuple. So how you can do that? My tuple is equal to tuple of my list. Then, and if you print your tuple, that is my tuple, then you will get 44, 55, 66, 77. So guys, this is how you can convert from that is known as type conversion also. So this, you can convert tuple into list, you can add, edit, update, delete item into list, and you have to again reconvert it or reconvert it into the tuple. So this is for today's video. Subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get more updates.